Hey, hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nitin Pawar. So, in this video, I will try to cover the how to design the role-based access control for your data lake storage account. For that, you need to have the storage account. If you do not have the storage account, you can go to the storage account and try to create one storage account. To how to create the storage account, you need to provide your subscription detail, your resource group. If you don't have any resource group created, you have to create the new one. Otherwise, if you have created one, that resource group will be populated over there. Provide the storage account name, the region where you want to deploy that storage account. Click on the next. Here, by default, the enable hierarchical namespace is not enabled. You have to click on it so that that hierarchical namespace is enabled for your storage account. Then clicked on the other things like network access and all. Clicked on the review. The review just check what are the different options available for you, and those are enabled. I already covered all the details in my previous video, so if you want to know about the creating storage account, you can view that video. So in this video, just focusing on the creating the role based access control for your storage account. Click on create. Wait for the resource got created successfully. So this is our storage account. If you go to the containers, by default you'll have the log containers. Here we can create our own container. So I'm creating the containers, so for which like we'll upload the files and other things. So my first container name is output. I'm creating that. I'm creating one more container, logs. So if you remember, while creating the storage account, we have enabled that hierarchical namespace. If you are not enabled that, you will not able to create one more directory under that your storage account. If you enable that, then only you will be able to create one more directory and provide that name. So that's why, like I told you, that it's beneficial if you create that hierarchical namespace. Now you have to provide that the particular directory what you want to call for this, and this way, like I just want it called as JSON because I want to upload the JSON files over there. So a folder was created, and that hierarchical namespace is also created over there. You can see that. Now, if we go to the containers, we have log and output. I'll create one more data container. Okay. So in data container, if I go to the access control, in my last video also I showed you how to add role assignment. Search specific which role you want to assign. I'm thinking about giving the data owner role. So clicked on that role, clicked on the next. Here you have to select the member, and in the member you have to provide that email address for that particular user to which you want to provide this access. I'll just give you the email address of that user. That user will be populated over there. Then you have to just select it. After selecting that username, just say that review and assign. Now that role has been assigned. Okay. So now if that particular person will go and try to add that file into your file system, that this user is able to do that. Okay. I'll true. So